Top 5 apps for learning to code on your phone.
Discover the most effective and engaging mobile apps for building programming skills. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your expertise, these apps make coding accessible and fun, right from your smartphone. Let's explore the top 5 options available today for learning to code anytime, anywhere.
1. SoloLearn.
SoloLearn offers coding courses in popular languages such as Python, Java, C++, and more. Its interactive lessons, quizzes, and a vibrant online community make it ideal for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Track your progress, earn certificates, and participate in code challenges, all conveniently designed for mobile learning.
2. Grasshopper.
Grasshopper is created by Google to teach programming fundamentals through bite-sized puzzles and visual challenges. Designed especially for beginners, Grasshopper starts with JavaScript basics and gradually introduces more complex concepts, making learning intuitive and engaging. Its user-friendly approach is great for those new to coding.
3. Mimo.
Mimo turns daily learning into a habit with quick, practical coding exercises. Choose from tracks like web development, Python, or SQL, and complete fun, step-by-step projects. Mimo's structured lessons, quizzes, and interactive code editor help learners build real-world skills at their own pace, wherever they are.
4. Programming Hub.
Programming Hub offers a wide selection of programming courses covering over 20 languages, including HTML, Java, and C#. The app combines concise lessons, code examples, and a mobile compiler for hands-on practice. Its unique features include certifications and visual learning aids to enhance understanding.
5. Enki.
Enki takes a personalized approach to skills development. Choose your preferred technologies and receive daily bite-sized exercises, flashcards, and summaries ranging from programming basics to advanced computer science. The app is highly suitable for both beginners and those looking to deepen their knowledge and maintain coding habits.
Choose the right app for you.
With these top coding apps, you can start or continue your programming journey anytime, right on your mobile device. Consider your goals, preferred learning styles, and the languages you want to master. Each app brings unique strengths to help you learn, practice, and enjoy coding wherever you go.